Okay, so this is our second example on method of differences, just our second example in the notes, and we have to find the formula for r cubed, the sum of r cubed, using this identity here. Really similar method to the previous example. Hopefully you're starting to get the idea of what's going to happen. So we're going to let r equal to 1, 2, 3, all the way up to n, and add up this side, see what we get. So if we let it equal 1, it's going to give me 4 upon 1 cubed, and that equals 1 squared. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 squared. R minus 1 is 0 squared, and that's then going to be a 1 squared. If I sub in the number 2, 4, 2 cubed equals 2 squared upon 3 squared. 2 take away 1 is 1 squared, and 2 squared. Sub in the number 3, 4 upon 3 cubed equals 3 squared upon 4 squared. Take away 2 squared upon 3 squared. Again, we're going to do a wee gap here, so these work all the way down. You would put in 4, 5, 6 and so on, all the way down then to n minus 1. We're going to do n minus 1 here, and we're just going to do n first because this thing is a wee bit easier. So that's of course going to be 4 upon n cubed, and that would equal n squared, n plus 1 all squared, take away n minus 1 all squared upon n squared. And if I sub in n minus 1, that's going to give me 4 upon n minus 1 cubed. Exchange this for an n minus 1. I will have n minus 1 all squared. Exchange that for an n minus 1. N minus 1 plus 1, so this gives me an n squared. N minus 1, so that will be an n minus 2. And then n minus 1 all squared. So let's see what we have. If we add our left hand side, this plus this plus this plus this plus this, all the way down, that's going to give us 4 upon 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed, all the way up, n minus 1 cubed plus n cubed. On the right hand side, let's see if we can find a pattern or see something that's going to start to cancel. Hopefully you can see that that and that are similar, so they're going to cancel with each other. That's going to cancel with that. That's going to cancel with that. That there is the same as that, so that's going to cancel. And again, hopefully we see that that is going to cancel then with the one above. So we're left with this bit here and this bit here. Of course, 0 squared times 1 is just going to give us a 0, so that just disappears. So the only bit then we're left with is our n squared upon n plus 1 all squared. So we're nearly there. This is the sum of our cube numbers. That's what we've been asked to work out. So I could rewrite this as 4 r equals 1 up to n of r cubed. That's the same as that. And that equals n squared n plus 1 all squared, dividing both sides by 4, and we are there. R equals 1 n r cubed, and that equals a quarter n squared n plus 1 all squared.